Sleep is not just a nightly ritual. It's a crucial physiological process that profoundly impacts muscle growth and recovery. Have you ever wondered why some athletes seem to make gains effortlessly, while others struggle despite intense training? The answer often lies in the quality of their sleep. In this video, we'll delve into the science behind sleep's role in muscle development and explore common mistakes that sabotage restful slumber. By understanding these factors, we can unlock the secret to maximizing our workouts and achieving optimal muscle growth. Let's explore how improving sleep quality can be the game changer you've been searching for. Make sure to stay until the end to find out all the best information, and remember, at Beyond Living, we provide the best information and actionable and functional guides for all facets of healthy living, vitality, and fitness. Also, check out the awesome products that are running exclusive limited time deals just for our viewers here at Beyond Living in the description and in the top pinned comments that we recommend for all our viewers for vitality, healthy living, and fitness. Like, comment, and subscribe as it greatly helps the channel. Sleep is not merely a period of rest. It's a dynamic process during which the body undergoes crucial repair and rejuvenation, especially for muscle tissue. When we sleep, our bodies enter different stages, including deep sleep, where growth hormone release peaks, facilitating muscle repair and growth. During this phase, protein synthesis rates increase, aiding in the repair of muscle fibers damaged during exercise. Moreover, sleep plays a pivotal role in regulating cortisol levels, a hormone associated with stress. High cortisol levels can impair muscle tissue repair and growth, making adequate sleep essential for optimizing muscle recovery. Furthermore, sleep deprivation disrupts the balance between anabolic, building, and catabolic, breaking down processes in the body, tipping it towards muscle breakdown rather than growth. Studies have shown that even short-term sleep restriction can lead to decreased muscle protein synthesis and increased muscle protein breakdown, ultimately hindering muscle growth and performance. Moreover, insufficient sleep can compromise exercise performance, reducing strength, power, and endurance levels. This can create a vicious cycle where poor sleep leads to subpar workouts, which in turn further disrupts sleep patterns. Therefore, prioritizing sleep is not just about feeling well rested. It's about maximizing our body's potential for muscle growth and athletic performance. Understanding the critical role of sleep in muscle development sets the stage for exploring how common mistakes impacting sleep quality can sabotage our fitness goals. Let's delve deeper into these factors and discover how simple adjustments to our sleep habits can lead to significant improvements in both restful sleep and muscle growth. Despite the importance of sleep for muscle growth and overall health, many individuals unknowingly engage in behaviors that sabotage their sleep quality. One common culprit is alcohol consumption before bed. While alcohol may initially make you feel drowsy, it disrupts the natural sleep cycle, leading to fragmented and less restorative sleep. Additionally, excessive screen time before bedtime is a prevalent modern-day issue. The blue light emitted by electronic devices suppresses the production of melatonin, the hormone responsible for regulating sleep-wake cycles, making it harder to fall asleep and stay asleep. Research suggests that exposure to blue light from screens can delay the onset of sleep and reduce overall sleep quality. Furthermore, the stimulating content often consumed on screens can increase cognitive arousal, making it difficult for the mind to relax and prepare for sleep. These common mistakes can have a significant impact on sleep quality, ultimately affecting muscle growth and recovery. By addressing these factors and making simple adjustments to our sleep habits, we can take a proactive approach to improving our overall well-being. Next, we'll explore practical strategies for optimizing sleep quality, including the importance of avoiding caffeine in the afternoon and establishing a consistent sleep schedule. By implementing these recommendations, we can create an environment conducive to restful sleep, enhancing our ability to achieve our fitness goals and unlock our full potential. Let's dive deeper into these strategies and discover how they can lead to immediate improvements in sleep quality and overall health. Improving sleep quality doesn't require drastic measures. Often, simple changes to our daily routines can yield significant benefits. One such change is avoiding caffeine in the afternoon. While caffeine is known for its ability to increase alertness, consuming it too late in the day can disrupt sleep patterns. Caffeine has a half-life of about 5-6 hours, meaning that even a late afternoon cup of coffee can linger in your system well into the night, interfering with your ability to fall asleep and stay asleep. Establishing a consistent sleep schedule is another key factor in promoting restful sleep. Our bodies operate on internal clocks known as circadian rhythms, which regulate the sleep-wake cycle. By going to bed and waking up at the same time each day, we help synchronize these rhythms, making it easier to fall asleep and wake up, feeling refreshed. Creating a relaxing bedtime routine can also signal to your body that it's time to wind down and prepare for sleep. This could include activities such as reading a book, practicing relaxation techniques like deep breathing or meditation, or taking a warm bath. By consistently engaging in these calming activities before bed, you can train your body to associate them with sleep, making it easier to transition into a restful state. Furthermore, optimizing your sleep environment can have a significant impact on sleep quality. This includes keeping your bedroom cool, dark, and quiet, as well as investing in a comfortable mattress and pillows that provide adequate support. By implementing these recommended practices, we can create an environment that supports restful sleep, setting the stage for optimal muscle growth and overall health. Next, we'll explore how making these simple changes can lead to immediate improvements in sleep quality and help us unlock our full potential. Let's delve deeper into these strategies and discover their transformative effects on our well-being. The beauty of improving sleep quality lies in its accessibility and immediate impact. By making simple changes to our sleep habits, we can experience tangible improvements in both restful sleep and overall health. Whether it's adjusting our caffeine intake, establishing a consistent sleep schedule, or creating a calming bedtime routine, these small adjustments can yield significant benefits. Research shows that even minor modifications to sleep habits can lead to immediate improvements in sleep quality, cognitive function, mood, and physical performance. By prioritizing sleep and implementing these changes, we can unlock our body's full potential for muscle growth and recovery. In conclusion, prioritizing sleep is not just a luxury, but a necessity for maximizing muscle growth and overall health. By understanding the science behind sleep and implementing simple changes to our sleep habits, we can unlock our body's full potential and achieve our fitness goals more effectively. Remember, the journey to better sleep starts with small steps. Subscribe to us on our channel for more valuable insights and tips on optimizing your sleep and unlocking your full potential. Together, let's prioritize sleep and unleash the power of restful slumber for a healthier, stronger tomorrow.